All the ever giving in was, all the ever giving in was a waste of my fucking time. I gave in so many fucking times. I gave in to find that I was a sorrowful feeling motherfucker. I never even knew the fine. This I say, I know my way, and now I will no sorrowful find. I will be my best mother me. I will show Glenda Ruth the way. The way she showed me, Glenda Ruth was the soldier I never ever knew. Angel number 5, the one who showed me Glenda Ruth was the truth. All I can do is be my best me. All my me's include the worst ever me. That was the me that pushed Glenda Ruth out the fucking car that fateful night. I spent 12 years in I pushed my own mother out a fucking car because I needed to get high. Yes, I did that. I own that shit, and I wanna cry. But I can't go back now. I can't hold on to no fucking bullshit. I gotta look forward because my sons wanna know my me. If my sons wanna know me today, I don't wanna change a fucking thing about any fucking thing. I don't wanna be no different because they wanna know me the same. Right now, this me, my how I know me. I know me better than I've ever known me. I've known me for sure. So I'm gonna be the best me I'm ever gonna be. I'm gonna be the best me, see? I'm gonna be the best me. My sons wanna know me, so I gotta be so free. Just the thought of them knowing me. Holy motherfucking me, my me. Holy my me, mommy, my me. This mommy, my knee. So skinned, so bloody, you fix me. Every time, mommy, you saw my knee skinned, you made me feel like I was God's gift to myself. Every skinny, every jelly donut before school, every iron shirt I wore till I was 12. All the things you did for me when I was so wee. Oh, my mommy, me. Thank you, mommy, me. My sons, they wanna know me for exactly what I'm saying, mommy, my me. Oh, my mommy, my boys wanna know me. How can I ever be better than this? Just them wanting to know me is the greatest fucking thing there ever was. Greatest fucking thing I ever been. This moment I see them hugging me as I cry in and sing another song that now. Thank you for this gift somehow. Just the thought that you both wanna know me knows me. I love you, Al. Thank you. Thank you. Fucking thank you.